Ring the bell!
I expect this match to be incredibly technical.
Yes, I'm very interested in this matchup here. Gran Trueno and the edge runner Jack Delaney. A little showboating going on here. And a mid-rope hurricane runner. Elbow to the chest. And a twisting arm drag down. We haven't seen anything like that tonight now, have we?
Rope rebound arm drag. Nice innovative reach and lead way offense by Gran Trueno. Twisting moonsault to the outside. Nasty crash landing. That's why it's called high risk, ladies and gentlemen. I can't see from my vantage point, but I hope.
Hopefully, ricochet tracks. Nope, we're good.
Backstabber. See, I tried to do that move last week. It did not look like that.
Yeah, you know, I wasn't going to bring it up, but now she's for that.
Hey, it's not the time to do that to me.
You guys should do a backstabber code breaker combo.
Oh my gosh, she just went, that's so funny.
It's been in our notes. Hey, look,
but I used to do a backstabber all the time.
I like that. I like that. Ooh. Ooh, Jack Delaney with the springboard drop kick and a kick up to show everybody what the edge runner is made of. Going for the pin. Kick out at 2.
Gorgeous combination for Jack Delaney, the backbreaker into the Sister Abigail.
violent bus battles. I mean, the bar is not exactly high, but not wise to tell your opponent what move you're gonna do, but I digress. Oh, you know, see, that's wrong because the whole thing starts to the gut.
Aaron touched a small piece of the
Board back elbow from Trueno. He trusts these ropes, we don't.
Up to the middle rope, and there's a drop kick.
That's me or did Jack Delaney open a bakery?
You know, we're gonna keep. Yeah.
For fun tonight or what? Y'all having fun? I'm having fun. I'm having a lot of fun. You guys so much fun.
They keep screwing up and putting me on commentary, and I do that over.
Both men are down, looking to get to their legs. It's been a long night, okay? Cut me some slack if I'm not on every single play by.
Come on, guys!
Who's gonna be the one to take it? They're standing off and Trueno lighted him up with some forearms. And another one, Jack Delaney is fighting back. Go behind, club him blow to the back, and now he's got him on the ropes. He's gonna send him off, but no, he reverses it. And now a drop, oh no! Hurricane Rana by Jack Delaney. And now, Irish maneuver, go for a takedown.
Ricochet starts the count out.
And now he's got to do something to take this one down. He's got the arm. Perhaps looking for that. Jack a little frustrated.
That's really running to the top rope.
They need to put away Gran Trueno. He's nice and deep, good deep into his bag.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to interference by Castro Young, this match has been declared a no contest.